Welcome to the advanced PlayerPrefs Pro Unity asset, an indispensable tool for Unity game developers seeking a secure and efficient way to manage player preferences. This asset is your fortress, employing cutting-edge encryption techniques to safeguard player data while offering an intuitive editor seamlessly integrated into the Unity interface. With support for a diverse spectrum of data types, from the simplest strings and integers to intricate structures like vectors, colors, and collections such as arrays and lists, and with the unique device key mode, a distinct encryption key is generated for each device, fortifying your player's data security. Support for an extensive range of data types, including strings, integers, booleans, doubles, longs, vectors, colors, date times, and collections. An intuitive API simplifying the retrieval and storage of player preferences. Effortless decryption of stored data for seamless accessibility. A user-friendly editor tool allowing comprehensive management of player preferences, from viewing to adding, modifying, and deleting preferences. Seamless export and import functionalities for player preferences. Device key mode, adding an extra layer of security to player data. Customizable encryption settings, supporting multiple encryption algorithms and custom keys. Convenient export and import options for custom encryption keys. Discover more about advanced PlayerPrefs Pro asset through the link in the video description. Stay tuned for more updates. More is coming from Da Vinci Inc.